In the stillness of the night, I find my peace, listening to the sounds that silence.
Olá, sejam bem-vindos ao Planta Fácil 3D. Inscreva-se no canal para ter acesso a mais projetos e plantas baixas como esta.
Guiding me to a place where dreams unfold. As I close my eyes and enter a serene trance, I'm transported to a mother's endless chance. The rhythmic hum of nature, a symphony of grace, filling my heart with inspiration's embrace. Oh, the echoes of creation and every breath I take, every beat of my heart, every step that I make, from the breaking of dawn to the setting sun. In the sound of meditation, my journey's just begun. In the stillness of the night, I find my peace, listening to the sounds that speaks, whispers of the wind caressing my soul, guiding me to a place where dreams unfold. As I close my eyes and enter a serene trance, I'm transported to a realm of endless chance. The rhythmic hum of nature, a symphony of grace, filling my heart with inspiration's embrace. Oh, the echoes of creation in every breath I take, every beat of my heart, every step that I make, from the breaking of dawn to the setting sun. In the sound of meditation, my journey's just begun. Close your eyes, forget all your fears. Let the music wash away all the tears. Float away on a wave of sound. Let your body and soul be found. Ooh, yeah. Let the melody carry you away to a place of tranquility and peace. Let the rhythm guide your every breath. Feel the power of sound within your chest. As the notes dance upon your skin, feel the energy buzzing deep within. Immerse yourself in the sonic embrace. Let the music take you to a sacred space. Let the melody carry you away to a place of tranquility and peace. Let the rhythm guide your every Close your eyes, forget all your fears. Let the music wash away all the tears. Float away on a wave of sound. Let your body and soul be found. Oh, yeah. Let the melody carry you away to a place of tranquility and peace. Let the rhythm guide your every breath. Feel the power of sound within your chest. As the notes dance upon your skin, feel the energy buzzing deep within. Immerse yourself in the sonic embrace. Let the music take you a sacred space. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. In the stillness of the night, I find my peace. Lost in the gentle rhythm nature's release. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. The symphony of sounds, a sacred meditation. Each note a building block, a divine creation. As the leaves whisper in the breeze, my worries fade away. The melody of life unfolds, guiding me astray. The harmony surrounds me like a warm embrace, inspiring me to dream and build my own grace. The sound of creation, a symphony so grand, transporting me to a tranquil land. I find solace in the sound, it sets my soul free. A sanctuary of inspiration, where I long to be. In the stillness of the night, I find my peace. Lost in the gentle rhythm of nature's release. Ooh, yeah. The symphony of sounds, a sacred meditation. Each note a building block, a divine creation. As the leaves whisper in